Okay, so now we're going to open up MAMPS and configure it. Again, you can go into here, into your Launchpad, and open up MAMPS that way, or you can simply type it in up here if you wish, and you can find it up here, Top Hit MAMP, whichever one, or MAMP Pro. We're using MAMP, so it's entirely up to you how you go about activating your installation. You notice I've got it installed a number of times, so I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to launch this. Now by default it's going to start the server, and when it starts the server, you'll notice here the servers are both started. I'm going to stop the servers now, but when the servers launch, it'll automatically open up this page here. When this happens, you know that MAMPS is installed successfully and it's working well. So for now, I'm just going to close that off. Okay, so now with this version of MAMPS, I'm just going to take you through some preferences. Now you'll notice that you've got an option of PHP versions you can run. I suggest just leaving it at 5.4.4 default settings. If you're more advanced and you want to make those changes, please do. But this is just I'm just showing you how to set this up as a beginner, so you can run WordPress on your local computer. Okay, so if you want to go further into MAMPS, by all means go and look into that yourself. But this is just showing you how to do the vanilla installation, and that's the one I'm recommending at this stage. Again, you'll see another tab here called ports. Again, leave them as they are, default Apache port and the MySQL port. Okay, Apache just means that that's the application software that runs a hosting server on your computer. Okay, and you've also got these options here. You can deselect that if you don't want your service to start every time you launch MAMPS. And you can deselect that if you want, so it doesn't check which version you're running. Entirely up to you. This also just shows you your start page URL, which is what popped up there in the browser when I first opened the application. It was /MAMPS, and it opened up that application in this folder here. Just leave all that, don't touch that. Of course, if you want to change these, please do. It's entirely up to you. The other thing is the Apache tab here. Now what this does is point the Apache software that is within MAMPS to where you're going to host and run your WordPress installation. Now you remember I created a new folder and then installed the WordPress there. Well, that's the folder we're going to look for right now. So you simply click on that. I'm going to go into that and find that folder that I created, which I think is this one here. If I can, there it is there. Test MAMP. Open up that, and in there is the WordPress installation there. So I'm going to select that there and click OK, and then that is that WordPress installation directed to the MAMPS software. And all you need to do from there is click OK, and that's your configuration done.